So welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share my approach about this problem, lonely integer. So let me read the statement. This small statement. So given an array of integers where all elements but one occur twice, find the unique element. So in this example, we have to find the unique element which does not occur twice or thrice. It says all elements occur twice. So we do not care if that element is occurring 2 times or 3 times. We have to find the unique element which occur only a single time. So the example is pretty simple to understand. Here, 1 is occurring 2 times. You can see 2 is occurring 2 times. 3 is also occurring 2 times. But 4 is occurring only single time. So the answer is 4. Unique element here is 4. So we have been given an array and we have to just return the unique element which does not occur twice or more than twice. As simple as that. Okay. Let me also code for this problem. Yeah, lonely integer. So here I will try to use the concept of objects because in objects the key is always unique and we can use this property for getting the frequency or count, and we can check whose element the count is only one, and we can return the same element. For the other elements, if count is 2 or greater than 2, then we can say that that element is not the answer. Okay. I hope it is clear according to the discussion that thing I discussed. So let me put all the numbers inside an object and calculate the frequencies basically. Okay. For this, I will run a loop.
पेट में हवा लगे, पेट में हवा लगे, नहीं गिरेगा नहीं, पैर में हवा लगती तो उतना दर्द करेगा।
So in this code, what we are trying to do, we are basically checking if that key is not present in object, so it will come undefined. Let me show you an example also. It's not coming. We inspect. Yeah. So let us take an object. We are not here to console. Let's say 1. Let's say 2. 3 is the value of 3 is, let's say it is also 2. Okay. So if we console log or check obj of string 1. Okay. So it should give me the value inside 1. Let me print 2. Let me use some other value. 2, 5. Here you can see the object of 1 has the value 2. And if I try to print something else, something, or let's say go for 8 or 9, it will show undefined because that key is not present in our object. Okay. So the same thing we are trying to implement here. If that element is not present in our object, then we are allocating the value of 1. Okay. So that it has come for the first time. Let me open this thing also. and do a proper try run. Okay, so taking the example of this array, it's not being copied. Okay. Let's say this is our I, and it is, let me put more spaces. Okay. I equals to 0 for the first time, because we are running this loop from I0 to the length of this array. Length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me also mention the length as 7. Okay. So our this loop will go from 0 to 6. That is less than 7. After that, this loop will break. So for I equals to 0, we will check if that key is present in our object or not. At first, that one key is not present in our object, so we will allocate 1 as 1. Okay, then you can see if that is coming undefined, like I explained earlier, it is we are allocating 1. Okay, so next we will move our I from 0 to 1. Okay, this is 1th index. So here also 2 is not present in our object, as you can see. So we will allocate 1 for the key 2. We will allocate 1. Okay. For I equals to 3, here 3 is also coming for the first time. There is no 3 present in our object. So we will put 1 for the 3, because we are allocating 1 in this, in our logic, in our code. Okay. After that, I will move to fourth index. This is 0 based indexing, so not get confused. 4. 4 is also coming for the first time. 4 is not present in our object, so we will put 1 here. Okay. After that, this is important to consider. 3 is already present in our object. Okay. So we will not put 3, because object of 3 will not come undefined. Object of 3 will not come undefined, because it is already there. The 3 key is present and the value is 1. So it will return, or give us what the value is 1. Okay. So in this case, 3 is already present and it is not undefined. Object of A of I is not undefined. Okay. So we'll move to else block. Else what we are doing, we are incrementing the value. Okay. Object of A of I, that is the value. Okay. So we will increment it as, after that I moves to this fifth index. So here also we can see that 2 is already present in our object. So we will increment this value as 2. Okay. And after that I will move to, I think I have done a little blunder here. It will be 6. I haven't, didn't started as I equals to 0. I should have started it as I equals to 0. So little mistake from my side. So this will be I equals to 6. But nonetheless, it is like we can consider as first element or zeroth index. Okay. For zero based index, it will be zeroth, and for the literal in terms of literal view, we can say this is the first, this is the second. Okay. So for this I equals to 6, this the value inside the array in this for this index is 1. Okay, 1 is already present in our object, so it will not come as undefined. It will move to the else block and we will increment the value. Okay, so before it was 1, we will increment it to 2. So after that, we will run a simple for in loop that is used for the objects and check which key has the value 1. Whichever key has the value 1, it means it has come only once in this array, and that is our answer. And rest of the keys or the uh, array indexes, well, array values have come twice, or even more than twice. We don't care because we want only unique number. Okay, so 3 has come twice, as you can see here and here. Okay, 2 has come twice here and here. Okay, 1 has also come twice at the first and the last index. Okay, so after that we will run a simple for loop. I also have to declare it, otherwise it will give some error that key is not defined. Why it is showing this red? Let me. Yeah, loop is over. After that, you can start. Object of key plus 1. So if any of the if any of the keys has the value 1, okay, in this case 4, so we will return it as a result. We can directly return or we can store it in another variable. Looks consuming, so let answer equals to e. Or if you put break a statement and you can return answer. Okay, running the code. So the 3 sample test cases have passed. Let me submit the code. So all the test cases have passed. This is taking time. Let's see what happens. Yeah, all the test cases have passed. So thanks for listening, for watching this video. If you want more detailed explanation, then you can comment. That's it. Thanks.